We're in beautiful downtown Austin on top of a parking garage that's being utilized for really cool stuff. Pickleball, urban pickleball, and now a soccer court called Vanna Athletics. It's kind of its own newly engineered futsal soccer court. Don't quote me on that. But anyway, so shipping container, standard height, 8.5 feet. Parking garages are usually 7.5 feet max. There was no way we could get this up here. So we parked it just over the edge there, craned it up over the weekend, but the crane couldn't reach its final destination on this side of the parking lot. So we're gonna do a little more work for our friends here, and we're gonna use our container dolly wheels. You can see I have those prepped there, and our container tow bar. You see we have on our truck called Big Nasty. And I'm gonna hitch that up to the truck, put the wheels on, hitch it up to the truck, roll it to the spot, park it like a trailer, unload, in and out. This saves you really expensive equipment again, so you can get containers. This is actually a container bar in really tight spaces quickly. Check out the videos, hope you like it. Hit us up with any questions. Okay, took a little bit of trial and error. We haven't put the wheels on yet. We put the tow bar on first. Because while it was sitting, we figured we'd get the tow bar on, lift it up with the jack and blocks, lean the thing back the truck on. Now it's hitched on. Now the weight of the container is mostly on the truck. I can lift this back end up. I don't have to worry about it moving or sliding on your car jack we're using here. It can make it roll, especially if we're on an incline. We're on a slight incline, it's a parking garage. So now it's hitched onto the truck. That's the anchor. Now we're gonna put the wheels on, finish the job, go home. All right, got the wheels on. It was on blocks, jacked up each side, put it on, just hand tighten it. We're not going far. So now we're hitched up, bumper pull, tow bar, wheels. We're gonna move it from here to its final spot there. We're about 35 minutes in, so saving money if you don't count the cost of value of your time. All right, no brainer. We did it. Took a lot longer than we thought. The tow bar is a bumper pull. The next version is a gooseneck, so kind of hard in a tight area like this. You pan there, see the cars are in the way. But we got it done. 1.5 hours. Second time doing it, so record time technically. So, all right. So another way to move containers very quickly. Next time we'll do this with skates, and you'll see how fast it can be on a flat surface like this. But if you're on your rough terrain, you know, not concrete, the wheels and the tow bar are the way to go. So another no-brainer, Bob's Containers.